Hi folks, Bob Dale, Jackson Lee Sales in Jackson, Mississippi, where we sell motorhomes. Every once in a while we sell a trailer, something that we like. Today I'm going to list the trailer, folks. I like this old trailer, but the operative word is this old trailer. This is not a concourse trailer. This is not one that you want to park in the churchyard and have a picnic in. This is just a good solid trailer that you may want to carry to deer camp, you may want to rent it out, you may do whatever you want to do because it's a bunkhouse model and it'll sleep about 10 or 12 people based on their size. And I don't want to slur little people, but sleep a whole lot of little people, sleep a couple of little league teams. But it's a Velocity, it's a 2006 Velocity. The model is a 296 RS, which means a rear slide. It has a slide in the rear and a king size beds we're going to show you. But we think everything in it works. We've tried it, but look at what you're buying, and it's going to be a bargain. I'm going to sell it no reserve. I'm going to try to sell it no reserve. If you see it listed again in a couple of weeks, we'll buy it now. There's no need to send me death threats and all that. That just means I got a deadbeat bidder. But here it is.
We got the propane tanks and stuff put up because they'll get stolen
around here, folks.
But they're included.
Yeah, you get 2 tanks. We'll show you. It's got this door here that goes into the bunkhouse. You can see all the way in. It's an escape door.
This will flip up. You got storage everywhere. Well, everybody's got their own light.
This would make a great deer camp.
That's a water pressure controller. Got an outside shower.
You see it here? We got it plugged up. Here's the slide out. And
rear slide.
It works. We will hear Velocity.
It's got a mount for a spare tire if you want to put one on it. Got crank down jacks underneath it. Got the dirt dauber covers for the furnace.
Good tires. That's solid.
That window was broke at one point, and they taped over it to get it back when they were transporting it. As soon as it got back, put a new window in it and called it good.
I guess we can start here, son. Here's your bathroom. Got a nice shower.
Tub and shower.
See, there's no leaks around the skylights.
It does have a skylight over the tub. Bunks.
Go back there, you can show them.
Bunks. Storage
bins there.
Closets on either side. Closets here. Got a sliding partition you can close.
Storage here. Air zone.
There's plug-ins if you want to put a TV on top of that and there's a hole you can run the cords through and plug it in.
Look at this deep storage. There's no leaks. It's not leaked.
These are just little single mattresses.
Yeah, we can, if that's an issue, we can go find those. That's nothing to that. Here's your stove, microwave. See your microwave zone here.
Your microwave. Here's your microwave. Look at you pretty. Here's your stove. It's a good looking stove.
Refrigerator's on and cool.
Here's your ice box. Jesus.
Look here. And here. Got the original furniture in it. This mattress cover has got a little tear in it.
Well, that's what your wives are for, to sew that stuff up.
Yeah, well, you have some wives giving me a cussing now. Furniture's what it is. If whoever buys it,
go to Walmart and get a table.
Yeah, we can get a little fold-out table sit there that folds up, and that's kind of it. It'll sleep 2,
TV
4,
stand.
6.
It'll sleep 10 adults, 18 children, 22 infants, or a flexible number of vertically challenged people.
I will say this. Look, I'll be dang, that light works.
Well, shut my shuckers.
And the vent hood works. Stove.
I'll be doggone.
Well, this would absolutely make a wonderful deer camp.
Got nice flooring throughout, no carpet to get stained. You can just sweep it out.
It's what it is. Anyhow, we're going to sell it. We're going to try to sell it, folks. Whoever gets it's going to get a bargain. It's a 2006 Velocity. By the way, my name's Bob Dale. My phone number is 601-218-1223. 601-218-1223. If you have any questions about the trailer, give me a call. You can call me on weekends, evenings, whatever.
24/7, 365.
If I don't answer my phone,
Keep
it's because
dialing.
I will call you back. It's going to be Thanksgiving, and I'm going to be deer hunting, but I will call you back if I don't answer the phone. I don't know what to say about it except you've seen it. That's what it looks like. It's going to be a bargain. It would be handy to have.
Handier than the 3-balled Tomcat.
I don't know about that, but anyway, I like this old trailer. It's a 2006 Velocity, folks, 296 RS, which means a rear slide. It's basically 27 foot long. We'll show you how everything works. It's just a good, solid trailer for if you need that kind of trailer. It's not a $10,000 trailer. It's not any of that. It's just a good trailer. And we appreciate you watching our video. I really do, folks. Thank you so much. Give me a call if you want to talk about this 06 Velocity. See you here in Jackson, Mississippi. Thank you.